Hello, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today I'm going over my trade I took yesterday, January 17th. So, I am going to go over the things that I did correctly, the things I didn't do correctly, and I'm going to show you how I found my bias. So, January 17th. So if we go to market open, go to 9:30, we can see market opens pretty bearish, okay? And when market opens, we form this huge fair value gap, which it can also be a BPR, but this is the huge fair value gap that we end up forming, okay? And I see this huge sell-off, right? But if we go look at pre-market, if we go to like a higher time frame, even if we go to like a 5 minute, let's go to the 15 actually. So if we're on the 15-minute time frame, okay? We're on the 15-minute time frame. Market opens bearish, okay? Usually when market opens bearish and we see a huge move down, you're going to be short for the day. But if you look at pre-market, you can see we are really bullish and we just have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 huge bullish candles. We move 344. We move almost 300 pips in pre-market. So obviously we're going to need a retrace. So market opens bearish, and that is going to be our retrace. So I'm looking for longs for the day. If we go to the 1 minute, and we're looking, so I'm on the 1 minute now. So market opens, we're bearish, we're going down, we're downtrending. Lower low, we make an even lower low. And then we come up and we're seeking these highs. We sweep liquidity right here, which means I know we're going to end up sweeping these highs. So now I'm looking for an entry, okay? And right now, there wasn't much of anything, at least that I saw. So as market was opening, I'm looking for confirmation on the 5 minute time frame, really. So and my stop loss, so my final TP was right here. And keep in mind, one of the reasons, this sounds like an excuse, but one of the reasons why I did end up like getting stopped out on this trade is the past 2 days why I haven't uploaded. I've been really sick lately, and I'm still sick, and I'm on vacation, which kind of sucks. But it's just how the cookie crumbles. You just gotta live with it, and you gotta make the best of your situation, and that's what I'm trying to do. But yeah. So the past week has been really rough. Like it's nonstop, just cold. But so I'm looking for confirmation on the 5 minute time frame, and there's 3 bullish candles, and then we form a 5 minute retrace. So this is where I was looking for an entry, but I wasn't really. I was still hesitant, so I wanted to wait for a fair value gap entry because that's what you do. You wait for confirmation on the 5 minute, scale down, confirmation on the 1 minute, then you look for break of structure, and that is your entry. As you can see, we have our 5 minute retrace right here. We have the fair value gap that we end up tapping into right here. And then I waited for break of structure. You see uh, 2 pretty bullish candles. We sweep these highs, come back down, bullish, and then another bearish candle. So then I enter right here on this bullish candle, okay? So I could have entered down here. This would have given me a better entry. I probably should have. This was where my original stop loss was down here. So that gave me like a 1.5 RR. And then once we moved up, I moved my stop loss up to, I think I moved my stop loss up to here. Um, but so I enter here. I see some pretty bullish movement here, and then I see us come down here. And what I do wrong is I move my stop loss. Instead of moving it to break even, I moved it just a little bit above break even. I moved it to like, I think I moved it, I got stopped out right here. I moved it to this bottom candle right here, which I end up getting stopped out. Like we just sweep right back. We literally just sweep it, and then we go straight up. And then I would have ended up hitting, I take profit, which my first TP was here, my second TP was up here. So I would have ended up hitting both take profits if I would have just stuck to the trading plan. I would have not moved my stop loss, and I would have been hard struck on the cons or my trading plan. One thing that I will say to everyone else that is watching is when you are entering a trade, you need to be confident in what you're trading. Like you need to be confident in your abilities, you need to be confident in your skills, and you need to know that when you enter, you are going to win. Because if you don't have that mindset and you're like, oh, I think I was wrong, I'm gonna get stopped out, and you move your stop loss to break even to minimize your losses, well, look what happened to me. I moved my stop loss to break even, and then I get stopped out, and I instead of making 2K yesterday, I make $120. So, I mean, there's not much you can do, but there's a lot you can like obviously I was still up in profit. I had the correct bias. There's a lot that I did right, but you need to do everything right in trading, and that is one thing that I need to get better at is being confident in my trades and not moving my stop loss to break even unless I end up seeing that we end up like unless I see actually because price action was still bullish here. This was just seek and destroy. It was tapping back down, and then it was going higher. I don't know why I got scared, but I did, and I moved my stop loss, and then I got stopped out. So one thing that I will say is never adjust your stop loss if you're in a trade. If you take a trade, you have to expect you're going to lose, and you have to be willing to lose the money you're trading. Otherwise, you're not going to be profitable, and what happened to me is going to happen to you. So that is why you always stick to your trading plan. Um, but other than that, I mean, the day was pretty good. I mean, we had bullish bias, we were bullish. I didn't think we were going to end up sweeping these highs, did we? We did not sweep those highs. So, um, yeah, that was kind of what was going on yesterday. Usually I start off my trading day by looking at the daily time frame, and as you can see, we look pretty bullish on the daily time frame. I wanted to see us tap back up into here, and I wanted because I am overall short. I think that we are in a downtrend, but for us to continue the downtrend, we needed a retrace, and that we got a retrace. So I think the next week, I think Monday we're going to be short. I can't say what's going to happen Tuesday, but I definitely think we're going to be short Monday. Obviously, all of this is subject to change, but at the moment, that's what I'm thinking. I do plan on making a boot camp or like a video just of like how I trade. Basically, like I do trade recaps every day. So obviously, the past 2 days I was sick, so I didn't end up uploading. But I do trade recaps every day. I want to upload a video on my strategy so I can help other traders. The best thing you can do for yourself is to choose a strategy and just stick with it. Um, I learned most of my stuff from TJR. There's a lot more you can learn, and like obviously, like there's retail trading, there's Aval. He's fairly new, but he's popping off right now. Other than that, the trade we would have had like a 6.5 RR yesterday if I stuck to my trading plan. Obviously, I didn't, but that is the one lesson. If you take anything out of this video, it's that when you trade, you have to be confident in yourself. Confidence is key. It 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 can't get any simpler. All you have to do is be confident in yourself. If you're confident in yourself and you know what you're doing and you believe in the trading that you're in your trades, the only reason people fail, the only reason I fail at trading is because I get in my head. I'm the only one that holds me back, and I'm sure that's true with everyone else out there. So, if there's one thing you learn from this video, it's that you need to be confident in yourself, you need to be confident in your abilities, and you need to be confident in the trades that you are taking. Other than that, yeah, there's not much else I have to say. So thank you for tuning in. This was my trading recap for January 17th. Sorry I did not upload because I was sick, but you get up and you move and you make the best of your situation. So I will be back Monday. I don't know if I'm posting a video tomorrow because I am on vacation, but I should be posting a video Monday. I'll do a trading recap. So I will see you guys then. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all the support. Um, I am up to like, I don't know, my videos have, I mean, they're grown. I am a new channel, but like my first video like popped off. So I thank you everyone who viewed that video and everyone that is going to view this video. So, but thank you for watching. Stay tuned and I will see you guys Monday. So peace.